right-click anywhere. Click on Display Settings. Scroll down. Click on Graphical Elements. Click to search and write Fallout. Click on it. Scroll down. In GPU Preferences, click to show the options and choose High Performance, which is your dedicated video card. Close the settings. If you don't have a dedicated video card, follow these steps. Go to the internet. Search for Intel HD Graphics Bypass Mod. Click to open the page. Click on Files, log in, and click on Manual Download. Extract the files, open the folder, select D3, D9 and copy it. Go to the game folder and paste the file here. Now select the Fallout file, copy it, go to Documents, open the My Games folder, open Fallout 3 folder, and paste the file here, and agree to replace. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.